to the zoo and find some animals.
What animal is that?
That's a zebra. Whoa, look at its stripes.
Zebra.
In Spanish.
Zebra.
In Japanese.
シマウマ
Say it again.
Zebra.
In Spanish.
Zebra.
In Japanese.
シマウマ
What's the name of a baby zebra? Colt.
What animal is that?
That's a kangaroo. Ah, it jumps so high.
Kangaroo.
In Spanish.
Canguro.
In Japanese.
カンガルー
Say it again.
Kangaroo.
In Spanish.
Canguro.
In Japanese.
カンガルー
What's the name of a baby kangaroo? Joey.
What animal is this?
A panda, like Gumbo Panda, and it's eating bamboo. And
Panda.
In Spanish.
Oso panda.
In Japanese.
パンダ
Say it again.
Panda.
In Spanish.
Oso panda.
In Japanese.
パンダ
What's the name of a baby panda? Cub.
What animal is this?
whoa, it's a giraffe. It's so tall.
Giraffe.
In Spanish.
Jirafa.
In Japanese.
キリン
Say it again.
Giraffe.
In Spanish.
Jirafa.
In Japanese.
キリン
What's the name of a baby giraffe? Calf.
What animal is this?
Whoa, eagle. Whoa, it's flying. Wow, wow.
Eagle.
In Spanish.
Águila.
In Japanese.
ワシ
Say it again.
Eagle.
In Spanish.
Águila.
In Japanese.
ワシ
What's the name of a baby eagle? Eaglet.
What animal is this?
A monkey. Whoa, it's swinging.
Monkey.
In Spanish.
Mono.
In Japanese.
猿
Say it again.
Monkey.
In Spanish.
Mono.
In Japanese.
猿
What's the name of a baby monkey? Infant.
What animal is this?
Whoa, look at the otter. It's an otter. Bye.
Otter.
In Spanish.
Nutria.
In Japanese.
カワウソ
Say it again.
Otter.
In Spanish.
Nutria.
In Japanese.
カワウソ
What's the name of a baby otter? Whelp.
What animal is this?
Wow, look at all the colors. It's a peacock.
Peacock.
In Spanish.
Pavo real.
In Japanese.
クジャク
Say it again.
Peacock.
In Spanish.
Pavo real.
In Japanese.
クジャク
What's the name of a baby peacock? Peachick.
What animal is this?
It's an elephant. Ah, that's a big splash.
Elephant.
In Spanish.
Elefante.
In Japanese.
ゾ
Say it again.
Elephant.
In Spanish.
Elefante.
In Japanese.
ウゾ
What's the name of a baby elephant? Calf.
What animal is this?
A lion. I can roar like you too. Roar!
Lion.
In Spanish.
León.
In Japanese.
ライオン
Say it again.
Lion.
In Spanish.
León.
In Japanese.
ライオン
What's the name of a baby lion? Cub.
What animal is this?
A gorilla. Whoa, I can do that too.
Gorilla.
In Spanish.
Gorilla.
In Japanese.
ゴリラ
Say it again.
Gorilla.
In Spanish.
Gorilla.
In Japanese.
Gorilla.
What's the name of a baby gorilla? Infant.
What animal is this?
An owl. Look at it.
Owl.
In Spanish.
Rojo.
In Japanese.
Fukuro.
Say it again.
Owl.
In Spanish.
Rojo.
In Japanese.
Fukuro.
What's the name of a baby owl? Owlet.
What animal is this?
A crocodile. Whoa. Hi.
Crocodile.
In Spanish.
Cocodrilo.
In Japanese.
Wani.
Say it again.
Crocodile.
In Spanish.
Cocodrilo.
In Japanese.
Wani.
What's the name of a baby crocodile? Hatchling.
What animal is this?
Whoa, a bear. He's climbing up rocks. I can do that too. I keep falling. Ah!
Bear.
In Spanish.
Also.
In Japanese.
Kuma.
Say it again.
Bear.
In Spanish.
Also.
In Japanese.
Kuma.
What's the name of a baby bear? Cub.
What animal is this?
It's a hippopotamus. Hi, there's so many of them.
Hippopotamus.
In Spanish.
Hipopótamo.
In Japanese.
Kaba.
Say it again.
Hippopotamus.
In Spanish.
Hipopótamo.
In Japanese.
Kaba.
What's the name of a baby hippopotamus? Calf.
Quiz time. Which one is a panda? Which one is a monkey? Which animal is a lion? Roar! We're doing some giraffe eating.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, look at those giraffes. They're so huge. Look at its long neck. Now the giraffe is eating some yummy food. Ryan's feeding the giraffe some food. Daddy's feeding too. Look, there's a zebra. Now there's an elephant. The elephant is taking a bath. Where are you going? Whoa. That's cool.
I can put my whole thing in.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, he's going for a swim. There you are.
That's too hot, that's why.
Yeah, probably too hot going for a swim. Do you see Ryan? Do you see
Maybe
he's going for a swim over there?
maybe he's so hot he needs to go in water.
That's right, yeah, to cool off maybe. Oh, look at that seal going for a swim. Those are flamingos. Hi, Ryan. He's going on a carousel ride. There's Daddy behind him. Hi! Hi! It's hard for Mom May.
You can get out if you want.
Okay, let's go up first. Let's see what it looks like.
I'm in the side.
Oh,
The very last lap, Daddy.
oh, hi. We're inside.
Oh, the other one. Let's go in those.
All right, let's get out of here.
Thank you for learning animals with me. Bye! Let's explore the ocean. Whee! I see a clownfish. It looks like Nemo. That's a giant turtle. Bye! There's jellyfish! I better get out of here! I think I see a shark over there. Hey, Mr. Shark! I'm Ryan.
Sup, Ryan? I'm Finn, the great white shark.
I'm here to learn about sharks. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure, ask away.
You're ginormous, Mr. Shark. How big are you?
I'm an old great white shark. I'm more than 20 feet long.
You are 5 of me.
I know, isn't that cool?
Yeah? Are you the biggest shark in the ocean?
No way! Meet my buddy Willie, the whale shark. He's 45 feet. That's the size of a bus.
What? Mr. Shark, you have big teeth. How many are there?
About 300.
What? 300? That's a lot of teeth. I don't have that much. 5, 10, 15, 20. What do you eat with teeth that big?
I'm a carnivore. I eat meat, turtles. My favorite are seals.
Like that one over there?
Yup. I'll be right back.
Whoa! Whoa! You better get out of here! Whoa!
I'll get him later.
You swim really fast. How fast is that?
25 miles per hour.
Wow, that's really fast.
Yeah, I can swim as fast as an elephant runs.
What? What other type of sharks are there?
Whale sharks. They have about 300 rows of baby teeth. Hammerhead, Greenland sharks, tiger sharks with stripes, white-tipped sharks. They sleep by pushing water through holes in their head.
Wow, I didn't know sharks can sleep.
Yup, there's 3 different ways. You can push water through your holes in your head. You can gulp water and push it through your gills. Or you can just keep swimming like me.
Can you sleep and swim at the same time?
Well, we don't sleep like humans do. We kind of rest.
Like taking naps?
Yeah, kinda like naps.
What other cool things is there to know about sharks?
A newborn baby shark is 5 feet long. That's the length of a full-grown cheetah. Sharks have been around for 400 million years, longer than dinosaurs by 200 million.
Wow, that's really cool. I learned a lot.
I'll quiz you then.
Okay.
What's the biggest kind of shark? Tiger shark? Horn shark? Whale shark?
Whale shark.
What do I eat? Am I a carnivore? I only eat meat? Am I an herbivore? I only eat plants? Am I an omnivore? I eat both.
Carnivore.
And my final question.
How many teeth do I have? 100, 300, or 64?
300.
Wow, great job, Ryan. You got them all right.
Yay! There's that seal again. Run, seal! Run!
Well, I gotta go, Ryan. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Shark. Bye!
Here's some other animals that live under the sea. Here comes the humpback whale. That's the hammerhead. There's the tiger shark. Look, there's the blue shark. The sand tiger shark. Look, it's a black-tip shark. Look at the dolphin. Here's the great white shark. The hammer shark. Here comes the orca.
Hi, kids. Today we're going to learn about transportation.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's an 18-wheeler. It has so much wheels. 18-wheeler is used to transport things like food and clothes. My food is flying away. Uh-oh.
Ryan, what's coming up next?
That's a boat. Whoa, the water. A boat is used to transport things across the water. I'm driving on a boat. I'm driving on a boat. Hey, whoa! Why would you splash water at me?
Ryan, look up in the sky. What is that?
It's a plane! Whoa! So high. A plane is used to travel in the air. Whoa! 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 Watch out, bird!
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
Oh, that'll be a garbage truck. Oh, smelly. Garbage truck is used to transport trash. Wait a minute, who's back there? Oh, Mo eating an apple.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's the school bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Come on, kids, let's go to school. A school bus is used to take kids to school, like me.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a car. A car used to drive around on roads. Uh-oh, I think my tire is flat.
Hey, Ryan, what is that up there?
That's a rocket ship. Whoa! A rocket ship is used to go into space. I see Mars.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a submarine. A submarine is used to travel underwater. Whoa, so many fish around here. Wait, ah!
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a fire truck. A fire truck is used to help firefighters put out the fire. Let's put out the fire.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a police car. A police car is used by the police to stop the bad guys. That car's going too fast. We better give him a ticket in the mailbox. Gotta go.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a dump truck. A dump truck is used to carry materials like sand. Let's dump it out.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a mail truck. A mail truck is used to deliver mail. Is that a dog? Uh-oh.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's an excavator. Whoa. An excavator is used to dig in construction sites. Let's dig. Uh-oh. I think I just hit something on the water.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a cement truck. A cement truck is used to carry cement. That easy. Let's pour out some cement.
Hey, Ryan, what is that?
That's a tractor. A tractor is used by farmers to push or pull things. This is so much Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review More Fun.